Welcome, in this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the ambient occlusion in Elden Ring Nightreign. So at first you have to open the system, then move to the graphic settings and choose advanced settings. Here the third option will be SSAO, and it's like ambient occlusion. In general, it refers to a visual effect that enhances depth and realism by adding subtle shadows where surface meet. So if you want to add a little realism to your game by simulating more shadows in certain areas, then you should enable this option and choose maximum if your PC is good enough. So that would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!